got a new bike on the lot. Greg's just bought this Kawasaki 1400 GTR, I think it's called. Makes Bobby's little Honda 4 look like a Tonka toy, like a mini bike. He paid $4.5 grand for that. Not a bad price. Yeah, another big crowd today at MRS. Here comes Tony too. Yeah, a couple of nice quackers there. We're just chatting to Tony there walking in. Yeah, a lot of these RS quackers around now. A couple of nice ones. I'm on my Z9 today. It's a nice 1100 GSX. And another RS. A couple of Hondas in there. A nice little GT 550. I got electric car. Yeah. Uh-oh. Noisier? Yeah.
That's noisier than mine. I've got the hex speeds, but I've got the other ones, not the GT ones. You do. Right? Every time I get on that overwarp nearer now, I check the oils.
What happens when you haven't got oil in them?
Right hand pipe smoke.
They don't smoke as much.
You end up in a trailer. You guys are so funny.
Greg forgot to put oil in his. That's a nice 21. Michael's little SL 350. What a beauty. Nice GS 850. Both Chris's bikes. See if I can. Yeah, it's a nice old bike. Let's crank this baby up. Oh, look how quiet it is.
That's been a Geelong car.
Oh, mate. It's nice and quiet. Sounds like a new bike, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, the motor.
Come on, come here. Hey,
Baby,
come
baby.
here. Look,
She can smell one.
look.
Oh, she just had a little bit of bacon.
She can smell my
There's
girl.
another
Yeah.
little bike shop
Smell my
dog.
girl, can't you?
Good girl, Brandy.
You be careful of the power on that. You take it easy. Old SL 350.
Yeah, well, he's a good collector. I have to see him on the cover. The bloody Venturi.
SV1. The big 16. Marty's Z1 1100 or Z1100. Yeah, another big day. There's heaps in here today, as you can see. Yeah, it's a nice little bike, that one of Graham's. Yeah, running nicely. Running very nice. had that since new, but he was saying, and that's a 71 model. Paid $950 for it, I think, from Townsville. It runs nicely.
Very nice.
That's our two straight trips there, mate. It's quite ancient, eh? Like,
I'll catch us later. See you, Graham.
might be it for another day at MRS. Another big one. Always is. And look at that weather again, as I said. It's perfect. Thanks for watching another one of my videos. Might be another one next week. Anyway, hope you like it. Catch you next time.